Alright guys, so today come along with me as I do a maintenance wash on a freshly coated vehicle. We're going to keep it simple today. I'm going to be using a pH neutral shampoo, degreasing the tires, dry it up, and wipe down the interior. So come along with me guys and enjoy the show. Okay, so first we're going to go ahead and pre-treat the vehicle with Green Star. So Green Star is a universal cleaner, and you can use this on tires, paint, pretty much on every interior, exterior plastics, or any exterior parts or interior. Pretty much you can use Green Star. So we're going to go ahead and use this to treat the wheels. Now this product is diluted 1:5, which means that we have 5 ounces of water, 1 ounce of product. Okay, and I'll go ahead and let that sit for a second. Now this will be a perfect good time to use my bug cleaner. Go ahead and clean up right here in the front. If I had some on the mirrors, I'll go ahead and do that. But this vehicle is in pretty good shape, so we just have a little bit of bugs in the front. So we'll just take care of that. And then I'm going to start rinsing off the wheels. See here, look at that blue, guys. Amazing. Nothing will stick to this, guys. I'm going to be using Brake Buster as our maintenance cleaner today, guys. And I really love this chemical when it comes down to maintenance customers, even for first-time customers too, because I love the cleanliness of this product. As you guys can see there, it cleans on pretty well, and it's pretty good on rubber too, guys. So overall, just really pleasant to work with compared to other cleaners. pH neutral, I believe, too, as well, and it foams up great. Look at this. So you know where you're working. That's why I picked Brake Buster. Just overall, it's good. Is it the strongest? Probably not. But it's the best overall cleaner for tires and wheels. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and do the contact wash. I'm going to go ahead and put 1 ounce inside my bucket. And then go ahead and fill up my foam cannon. Alright guys, so now I have 1 ounce of product, which we're using Carpet Reset. This is a great shampoo for ceramic coating. And 10 cups is good. guys, so we are done with the exterior. Now I am using DI water, so what that means is that I got the benefit of just leaving the water here and let it naturally dry, and then we're gonna go ahead and have a nice clean surface. Now of course, once it's dry, I will be touching it up with the detail spray just to give the final touches. But this is good. But what I'm going to be doing now is working on the interior. So while it dries, I work on the interior and then clean that up. By the time I'm done, the outside will be ready to go, and I'll be able to use my detail spray to finish it off. So let's go ahead and start that process. Alright guys, and here are the results. It is looking beautiful, nice and clean, shiny. We just finished it off with Tech 582. That leaves another layer of protection, nice little glow, until I am back next month. So this car is looking good. Alright guys, and that is it. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you guys learned something, or if it was entertaining, please go ahead and give it a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.